Hi everyone, my name is Hetul and I am currently working as a technical lead at Infocusp.
My name is Saumil and I work in quality assurance, specializing in test automation for web and mobile applications using Cypress, APM, and TypeScript. I also focus on API testing and building scalable frameworks.
Hi, I'm Ashwini. I'm working as a machine learning engineer with Infocusp Innovations.
Hi, I'm Kriti Bhatia and I'm working as a data scientist at Infocusp Innovations.
My name is Jash Rana and I work as a software engineer at Infocusp Innovations.
Yeah, so talking about the explorations which I did in 2024 was around LLMs, as I mentioned. So in start of the 2024, LLMs were still picking up, and there were lots of terms around LLMs, right? So everybody was feeling FOMO, fear of missing out. So the first thing which I did was created a mind map, which consists of all the tools and technologies around LLM that actually cleared my mind about what is happening really. The next thing which was emerging were RAG, retrieval augmented generations, and but what was not very famous was evaluation of these RAG systems. So in many of the projects we had to work a lot with evaluating these RAG systems. The third thing which actually picked up recently are agentic systems, but at the very beginning I also started taking some courses and understood how these agents are working. And I also participated in one hackathon where we used Servam AI's models, which are specifically trained for Indian languages. They consist of speech to text, text to speech, etc. And also some of the trends which I have seen over like from the beginning of the 2024 to end of 2024 are agentic workflows. So there has been many no code or low code platforms where you can just build agentic systems. So even if you are a big company or a startup, you can just go there even if you don't know how to program. You can use this agentic system, right? And a very famous thing which has just released is live APIs from both OpenAI and Gemini. So you can basically stream the audio which you are telling directly to the models instead of converting into text. And the models also are responding in now speech instead of like converting text and then to speech. So yeah, that is really cool for me in 2024.
2024 has been a year of tremendous growth. I started with game testing for our in-house project at Infocus and then transitioned to client automation. I built a scalable framework with Cypress and TypeScript, collaborated with release engineering team for smoother releases, conducted a knowledge sharing sessions on API and web testing. It has been rewarding to contribute to innovative projects and upskill along the way.
2024 was a year of exciting exploration for me. I delved deep into vector retrieval, retrieval augmented generation, and the fascinating world of multimodal models. I also started working with geospatial data to build predictive models, which opened up a whole new dimension to my work. Some of the most innovative trends I witnessed in 2024 include growing importance of RAG, rapid advancements in multimodal AI, and the emergence of powerful cross-modal retrieval techniques.
So, two particular tech trends caught my eye in 2024. Firstly, the emergence of AI driven threat intelligence was truly transformative. So, generative AI is revolutionizing how we analyze security data, enabling us to proactively identify and mitigate emerging threats. All models can now predict attack vectors, analyze malware behavior in real time, and offer proactive defense strategies, significantly enhancing our cybersecurity posture.
2024 was like diving into a massive tangled code base. At first, you're confident thinking you've got this and this will be a breeze. But as you dig deeper, you hit some unexpected bugs, some cryptic comments from other people, and moments where you think nothing makes sense and you're losing it. But hey, such is life. Amidst all this chaos, you learn, adapt, and find your way through. And I came out of it with a ton of new skills, some hilarious stories, and undeniable proof that coffee and snacks are the real fuel behind every successful program. After all, it was a wild ride, and I'll totally do it again, maybe with a fewer late night meetings.
So as we move into 2025, there are going to be lots of new things in generative AI space. So very first shift which I suspect or I predict is moving from the user experience to AI experience. So think about currently the designers are developing the apps which are more towards the user experience, how the user will use their app, right? But now in the generative AI space, the developer has to also design the app from the perspective of LLMs, whether my LLM would be able to use the app, because the apps are going to be integrated everywhere. So that is a shift I'm expecting. And then the designers of LLMs are also going to take care of the interaction between two different AIs. So right now it's the interaction between human and AI, but there are going to be interaction between two different AI systems, because that is what the agentic system is all about. The agents are communicating with each other and getting the things done. And the very third thing is really helpful for the startup, which is making the LLMs very cheap and cost efficient for any product. So it can be a closed source model like OpenAI and Gemini, or any open source model. So these are going to be very, very cost efficient so that people can build more products in 2025. So these are the three major shifts I suspect of it.
In 2025, I expect AI to play a larger role in testing, making the process smarter and more efficient. I am looking forward to advancement in automation tool and seeing a stronger focus on team growth and mentorship to build the culture of quality.
Looking ahead to 2025, I'm really eager to look into the potential of data science agents and know how to leverage them to automate tasks and to improve efficiency. I'm also excited to dive deeper into model fine-tuning using reinforcement learning. I truly believe that it holds immense potential for enhancing the model performance and also will be helpful in creating more sophisticated AI systems.
So, secondly, we are witnessing the evolution of decentralized finance, also known as DeFi 2.0. This next wave is focused on building some more sustainable, resilient, and user-friendly DeFi systems. Innovations like DeFi insurance protocols, optimized yield farming strategies, and the tokenization of real-world assets are poised to reshape traditional finance by offering more robust and decentralized alternatives.
2025 is all about leveling up and chasing new horizons. You can expect big data, AI, and IoT working together in real-time applications like weather-sensitive logistics or personalized disaster alerts. This will in turn cause high demand for cross-disciplinary experts such as AI meteorologists and big data engineers with a focus on sustainability. I also expect quantum computing to enter the scene for problems like fluid dynamics and atmospheric modeling, which involve solving complex partial differential equations. I'm ready to dive deep into even more advanced data engineering concepts, tackle some real-time analytics, and maybe even sprinkle in some AI magic for good measure. The goal is to become a data ninja who can tackle and turn complex problems into elegant solutions. I'm also planning to explore more tools in the cloud universe. Think of it as upgrading my digital spaceship to explore new frontiers. Clean coding will still be my North Star, but this year I want to pay it forward by giving it back to the community and geeking out over tech with my team. So here's to a year of coding breakthroughs and endless innovations. Cheers everyone, and wish you all a very happy new year.